Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, I'll be talking about Factor 75, which is now known as Factor, a meal delivery service that delivers pre-cooked, healthy meals to your doorstep. So if you lead a busy life and struggle with meal planning and cooking like I do, but still want to maintain a specific diet or eat healthier, Factor is an ideal option. Now, this review will cover their menu options, food quality, meal plans, delivery, and who would I recommend the service to. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, if at any point you'd like to try Factor, you'll find helpful links in the description down below, including a discount code to save you some extra money. Now, to register for Factor 75, you simply need to create an account and log in. Then you can select a meal plan based on your dietary requirements once you're logged in. For example, if you're on a low-carb diet, you can choose the keto plan, or if you're looking for low-calorie meals, the Calorie Smart plan is a good option. Also, there's a vegan and veggie option if you're on the vegan diet. And finally, for those who want high-protein meals like me, there's the Protein Plus plan. However, it's worth mentioning that Factor doesn't have many vegan options, as each week only 2 to 3 meals are on the menu, and the minimum number of meals you can order per week is not always enough to cover all your meals, so you'd have to order from other non-vegan options. Then, once you choose which option you want, you can then choose the number of meals you want each week, starting at a minimum of 4 and going up to a maximum of 18 meals. Keep in mind that ordering more meals is usually more cost effective, but it ultimately depends on your personal preferences. Next, you select which meals you want to receive each week. For this week, I opted for 4 meals: the homemade maple barbecue ground beef, the roasted garlic chicken, the pesto salmon, and the red pepper queso chicken. And all the meals were absolutely delicious. Now, one feature of Factor's meal service that I appreciated is that their meals are mainly intended for lunch or dinner. However, if you want more options for breakfast, they offer meal add-ons as well as supplementary choices like desserts and a variety of fresh smoothies that you can order with their meals. Speaking of ordering, Factor has a limited delivery window, as they only deliver from Monday to Wednesday depending on your zip code. This can be a bit inconvenient if it doesn't align with your schedule, and it bothered me a bit as I'm usually outside of my house during weekdays. Now, one thing Factor excels in is its packaging, as the food arrives in a large box with insulation materials and ice packs to ensure the meals remain fresh. Additionally, the meals are placed in microwave and oven-safe containers that are sealed tightly, preventing any spills or leaks, and are easily recyclable. It results in minimal waste, which is a huge plus, especially when compared to other meal kit services like Home Chef, which uses a lot of plastic in their packaging. So, as someone who's conscious about reducing waste, I highly appreciated the practical and well-designed packaging of Factor's meals. Another notable feature of Factor's meal delivery service is that all the meals are freshly prepared instead of being frozen, which ensures that the food quality is top-notch. Each meal is labeled with a 7-day shelf life in the fridge. Additionally, you can easily access the nutritional information from each meal on the back of the packaging, which includes macro counts. So if you have any dietary restrictions or allergies, you can check out the detailed ingredient list for each meal on their website before selecting your meals. Now, after trying out all 4 meals on different days, I can say that my experience with Factor's meals was really satisfying. The meat was really delicious and tender, the vegetables were perfectly seasoned and not mushy or soggy or anything like that. The chicken was rich in flavor and not dry. The salmon was roasted to perfection. The sauces were creamy and thick, which enhanced the overall taste of the meals. However, I did find that the food was high in sodium and sugar, which may not suit everyone, especially if you're conscious about your macros like I am. Also, as someone with a bigger appetite than the average person, I felt that the portion sizes could have been a bit bigger, but overall I was satisfied with the meals. Now, Factor prides itself on using top quality ingredients in their meals. They source their meats from reliable suppliers with a preference for grass-fed and pasture-raised options. They also refrain from using any artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives in their meals. Also, whenever possible, they opt for organic ingredients and wild-caught fish, which is not only healthier, but also has a lower carbon footprint, making it more environmentally friendly. Now, as someone who prioritizes the quality of food, I was pleased with the attention Factor pays to its ingredients, and its quality definitely showed with how tasty the meals were. Now, sourcing high quality ingredients comes with a price, as Factor's pricing is on the higher side, with the cost per serving going up to $11 if you order 18 meals per week. However, Freshly, its biggest competitor, has a lower price point, with its highest price being $11.79. Even the lowest price meal option from Factor is more expensive than most of Freshly's offering. However, Factor offers additional benefits that Freshly doesn't, such as a free consultation with a dietitian expert for creating personalized nutrition plans. Also, Factor offers cuisine at a gourmet level, created by well-known chefs and expert nutritionists. So, taking into account the food's superior quality and the fact that it eliminates the need for grocery shopping, cooking, and cleaning, it's definitely a valuable investment. Now, if you'd like to give Factor 75 a try, feel free to use the coupon code I've linked down in the description below to get a discount with your next purchase. All in all, Factor 75 is a convenient and tasty solution for anyone seeking a healthy meal delivery service. And so if you have a busy lifestyle and want to enjoy a quick and easy gourmet meal that are healthy and nutritious, then Factor 75 is the ideal meal service for you. It saves you the hassle of grocery shopping and cooking, and their dishes are prepared by professional chefs and dietitians. Additionally, you can also benefit from a free consultation with a dietitian to help you create a personalized nutrition plan. Now, Factor 75 can improve by offering more vegan or lower sodium options, but they still have a great variety of delicious meals that would cater to most preferences. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, please feel free to leave a like. Let me know if you have any questions in the description down below, and subscribe because I've got a lot more meal kit reviews on the way, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.